I hear some wild dogs out here. Hear them? Nice sunset, Nebraska sky. We have a nice thing going to go on for you. I like listening to those dogs in the background. Hear them? And the birds too. We got the Kel-Tec PMR-30 we brought out. That's it, boys and girls, right there. It's got 20 loaded in a magazine. They will hold 30, but I've only been putting 20 in there. They get a little hard to do after about 20, 22, 23. So we'll do that. We're going to do a muzzle blast expose here, kind of like a late 4th of July. I want to thank the trading post in Fremont, Nebraska for getting me this nice PMR-30 in. Josh and his crew, excellent guys to work with if you want to get a pistol or a shotgun or a rifle or accessories in Fremont, Nebraska. They're a good place to get stuff at. I really like their items down there. We're going to walk down here. I'm going to slam the slide shut. And that's the glow dots on the sides. I still hear those dogs. Interesting. That's the glow dot sights. They're nice sights. Pink in the back, or red, and green in the front. So we're going to go up and shoot these metal plates, these black plates I put up yesterday. We'll walk up. We put quite a few holes through these plates already, as you can see from 50 yards out, and quite a few holes through there with the 22 mag, the PMR 22 mag pistol, the 22 JP Sauer & Son single action LA Western pistol, and the new Smith & Wesson 40 Shield I got today. Really like that. Glad I got one of those today. That was pretty cool. We're going to back up a few feet here and show you how that'll work. Show you the muzzle blast on that. Going to go. You should be able to see that quite well. So here goes. God, that's great. Whoa. Awesome. You don't think that's some firepower? All 20 rounds, PMR-30, 22 mag semi-automatic pistol. They've been sold out everywhere. If you can find one, get one. They're just awesome. I mean it. This thing rocks ass. Thanks, guys, for the Trading Post. Hats off to you. Josh, should have come out with me and shot this, buddy, but we'll get out anytime you want to. I mean, be glad to go out. So you just get with me. This is a wonderful pistol. I've shot about 400 rounds through it since I got it yesterday. 4 different kinds of ammo, and it shot really well. With all the ammo, it did have a little bit of hiccup on the Fiachi, but that's on the list not to use is the 40 grain Fiachi. So heed that. Little bit of printing down there. They'll shoot, but they'll have a little bit of trouble. That's the targets right there. Quite a few holes. Cool. Thanks for watching. That's really a cool pistol. Once again, this is the Kel-Tec PMR-30 22 Magnum semi-automatic pistol, and as you can see, it puts out a fireball and a lot of power. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. You want one of these? You can find it. Pick them up. They're hard to find. Very hard. Enjoyed the watch. Later. I pulled the targets out of the ground so you can see what they look like laying down flat. So those shots, so many of those came from the PMR-30 22 Magnum pistol, and you can just see it's a really good performer. Shoots good, lots of nice holes, kicks up some dirt. Muzzle blast is great. I mean, you couldn't ask for anything else. So anyway, let's couple the targets side by side. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the range.